Those are the old ones. New ones are. Oh. Oh no. The new ones are here.
Is there a lecture 6
Lecture
8 or 7?
7, I didn't bring. 7 you can find over in 353, Corey.
So all the
250.
all the leftovers are in there?
Or at least what's left over. Yeah. All right. Good afternoon, and welcome back to you all. So for those of you who couldn't make it yesterday into the makeup lecture, I already mentioned that I apologize for all the kind of disruptions I caused over the last couple of weeks through major travel and so on and so forth, and that I also, as a result of that, got up and ended up with some major colds. So if I kind of fade in and out a little bit today in my lecture, don't worry about it. I'll make it. So a couple of things that I would like to mention is that time's ticking. Time is moving forward, and as far as I recall, if I'm counting correctly, we're week number 5, which means that week number 6 is coming up next week. and that means midterm 4, midterm number 1. So next Friday, 6 o'clock, we'll have the first midterm. It's from 6 till 7:30. It will be, as I mentioned before, it's an open book exam. You can bring anything you want to. But as I mentioned also, it might not help you very much. The fact is that the questions are going to be questions that are looking at understanding rather than just copying over from what's in the text or what we have already done. However, if you have done your homeworks and you've done